Vertical video has become part of everyday life, from TikTok and YouTube Shorts to Instagram Reels and video calls. Portrait mode is everywhere, but PopSockets has only just caught up. Introducing the Kick-Out Grip and Stand, PopSocket's latest innovation. It's a MagSafe compatible grip that folds out into a sleek, minimalist kickstand designed specifically for vertical phone viewing. Using it couldn't be simpler. Flatten the grip, pop out the top section, and your phone instantly transforms into a stable vertical stand. No more awkward balancing with water bottles, coffee mugs, or stacks of books. The Kick-Out Grip and Stand comes in 4 stylish core colors: black, latte, dusk, and putty, plus 2 premium aluminum radial finishes, French navy and silver, to match your personal style. Designed for maximum versatility, it works flawlessly with any MagSafe compatible case, pop mount, or swappable pop top. And if your case isn't MagSafe compatible, no worries. It comes with an adapter ring to fit almost any phone case out there. Whether you're catching up on your favorite videos, hopping on a video call, or following a recipe in the kitchen, the Kick-Out Grip and Stand makes vertical viewing effortless and stable, keeping your hands free and your phone secure. It may seem like a small update, but it solves a big everyday problem, finally giving PopSockets users a stylish, practical way to stand their phones vertically. Available now for $40. Stay tuned for more smart accessories and innovations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest updates.
Hold me close till I get up.